US President Donald Trump has announced an extra 10% tariff for any country aligning themselves with the anti-American policies of BRICS. He announced that countries aligning with BRICS will be charged that 10% and there will be no exceptions to this policy. He put this out on social media, not really clarifying the anti-American policies reference. Trump also said that the US tariffs will kick in on the 1st of August if trading partners do not strike deals with Washington. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent confirmed comments by Trump to reporters as well, and that the deadline is on August 1st. Let's go across to Sakshi for more on this. And Sakshi, Trump suddenly turning on BRICS nations. First, let's talk about that. We do know the BRICS nations, which are currently meeting in Brazil, recently did hit out at this tariffs and the impact it's going to have on the global economy.
Absolutely. This crucial update just coming in, Gargi, like you mentioned, the anti-American policies of the BRIC nations getting that additional 10% extra tariff alert from US President Donald Trump. Experts believe that, look, this is very, very subjective. Very crucial here to remember that anti-American policies at the moment, this phrase is very subjective. It can mean, of course, a hit to manufacturing in the US, to jobs in the US. Anything he believes will be anti-America in policy and an agenda. So very, very subjective there, and this is really the latest update. Apart from that, all eyes really on 9:30 p.m. tonight. The crucial letters going to be sent out, the decisions and the key finalization of the tariff process, country-specific tariffs that is, for all nations. So the spotlight really on 9:30 p.m. IST as far as India is concerned. Remember, India has drawn very, very clear red lines as far as the agriculture sector is concerned and the labor-intensive sectors and those interests of India are concerned.